In this video, a step-by-step guide with regards to how to use zKSync on a testnet to interact with the protocol and to get the potential airdrop when it happens. Not only the zKSync airdrop, but this project that are building on zKSync, they themselves have confirmed that they will be doing airdrop. Some of them have confirmed that. And in this video, we're going to be looking at which project to try out on a testnet and how to use that step by step. Let's get started by going to zksync.io. Once you're there, you want to hover over on LAN and click on zKSync v2 portal. From here, you'll be able to see your account balance, but yours may be 0. If that's the case, then click on faucet. And once you're here, you want to request faucet. I've already shown you guys how to do this on my previous videos, but for those of you who are watching for the first time, this is exactly how you do it. Go ahead and tweet this and they will send you some funds. You can see that I've already done this, so they won't be able to send me some funds. That's what they're picking up here. So when these funds are sent to you, they're coming from Ethereum Gorilla network, and we want to bridge them over to zKSync Gorilla testnet. So let's go ahead and put the amount of tokens that we want to bridge over. I can click on max and then I'll go ahead and deposit. Now bear in mind, this may take some time depending on how congested the network is. As you can see here, it says it will take up to 5 minutes, but we don't have the entire 5 minutes to wait over here. But that's all that you have to do here. Then you can come to your wallet, transfer funds over from one address to another. And in most cases, when I try this out, I get a JSON error. I don't know what the issue is right there. You can see I have a JSON error over here, but it doesn't really matter. We already got our faucet. The next step, what we want to do is to click on this website here. I'll leave the link to this website in the description of this video. Why this one specifically? If you actually try out all this platform, because zKSync just recently moved their testnet, it will be very difficult for you to get things working. I can actually show you here by visiting one of the protocols or one of these projects that it is extremely difficult for you to use this on zKSync 2.0, and you can see I'm getting errors immediately. And if I try to use this platform and try to basically just do a swap, it's going to be very difficult for you to get anything going here on this platform. I just keep getting errors. So that's why we're going to be using the other websites that I'll leave in the description of this video. As you can see here, we're getting errors. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, these platforms would have maybe updated their code so that it can work on zKSync 2.0, but we don't know yet. What we do know is that when you come to this specific website, it is working 100%. Now what we want to do here is to come and do a swap. In this case, I could be swapping DAI and USDT or to link. I'll just go ahead and swap 15 DAI and see how many links do I get from there. And I get 131 link. I'll go ahead and swap this. The most important thing here is to play around with the protocol, and the blockchain is going to be recording these transactions. And you can see we have successfully swapped the tokens, and you can do this on a daily basis. Now let's go to, let's do another one. I'm gonna swap Ethereum in this case, but I want to move link to Ethereum. I'll just move 25 link. So that's how you do it. Let's move to pools. So in pools, you can basically just add liquidity. So you can choose, you're looking for Ethereum and DAI pool, and then you can manage how much you want to add in those pools. In this case, let's add $15, and then I'll add that liquidity. So basically you're just putting 50-50 of these tokens, and you confirm that, and that's going to be added towards the liquidity pool, and you're going to be earning some yield or passive income. Obviously this is play money, but this is good for those of you who actually want to learn how to interact with the blockchain and understand how the world of DeFi works. If you have this specific new token, then you can add on it down. You can try them out on their Discord and see if maybe they can send it to you or anything like that. But this should be enough for us to actually get the transactions going. Now we can actually look at the Explorer and come to get our wallet over here and see if what we were doing on a testnet is actually recorded on the blockchain. So you can see here I'm on a testnet, not a mainnet. Then I'll just paste my wallet over here and hit search. Now you can see how much I have in my wallet, but most importantly, you can see that 2 minutes ago we were actually interacting with the protocol, and some 3 hours ago, because I've been trying to test this out before I go live. So that's how you interact with a protocol here and on a testnet. So that's going to be it for this video. Obviously this is running on a testnet. If you want to do this on a mainnet, I have a video showing up right here that will take you step by step on how to do the exact same thing on mainnet, so that you can qualify for that potential airdrop when it does come out. If you want to find out about all the airdrops that I believe are going to be very big in 2023, find the link in the description of this video, or you can actually find the video popping up right now. There's a playlist where I go through all these airdrops. And also make sure that you subscribe, turn on all post notifications so that you're alerted every time we publish a new video right here on YouTube. My name is Vusi Designer. I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.